Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's do a crochet, and you can see it on your screen. I have my supplies here, my crochet hook, my twine and lighter. So I will be showing you how to start this pattern with this green twine. I've already started with my black, but because it's dark you will not see what I do. So now with your twine, make a chain of 57 in total. Okay, so now after the 57 chains, we'll work one single crochet in each of the next 22 chains. Okay, so I'll work it down till I get 22 single crochet. Here we go. So in the next chain space, work 3 single crochets together. Here we have 1 2 3 in one space. Then after this we'll work 1 single crochet in the next 4 chain space. Okay, so I got I think 3 here and the remaining ones to go. Okay, so after this, in the next space we're going to work 3 single crochets together. Okay, these will form the base of our pattern. Okay, so now after working the last 3 single crochets together, I work my way down to the end. Now I will turn and work my way back to where we made 3 single crochets together. So work 1 single crochet in one of it, and in the middle of that 3 single crochets together, we're going to work 3 single crochets together again. Okay, so when you are done with this, we will work 1 single crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. Okay, till we get to where we did the middle of the next 3 single crochets together. Okay, which is here. We work another 3 single crochets together in the middle. So we're going to be repeating this pattern. Thus we're working 3 single crochets in each of the middle of the previous 3 single crochets we did until we get to the width of our vamp. Okay, don't forget the middle of each of the previous single crochet. So here I'll continue with my pattern, my vamp, till I finish up. So in total I did 11 rows. Okay, so after that I'll work my second part of it and rejoin it. So here I have done the 2. As you can see, we have kind of left and right. Okay, I mirrored it. Now we are going to join this together. What I did was make a mark at the center of the 3 single crochets we did together, then count 5 stitches. Okay, and insert my hook and join my yarn like so. So now I'll make a chain of 3. So picking up the other part of it, and from my mark I also counted 5 and insert my hook. So when you do this, we're going to slip stitch twice here and in the next stitch. Then we'll work our way back to the black side of our pattern, just 3 single crochets. Then when you get to the black side of it, you're going to slip stitch to the main body, that is 1 and 2. Then turn the work and continue on the 3 single crochets. Okay, so we will be joining it this way, slip stitching in each of the main pattern twice and working our way back to the next main body part. Okay, so this we will join it till we get to the other side end of it. Okay, so this is how it looks. So I'll keep slip stitching, working 3 single crochets in the middle till I get to the the end of other side. So from this end I counted 5 and I stopped. So I'll just line it and couple my footwear. So thanks for joining me. I hope you did enjoy this tutorial and you're going to try it out. If you have any question, drop in the comment section, like, subscribe, and see you in my next class.